What's up, y'all? This is Clark Smith Adventures. Your host, Amy Cinnamon Clark Smith. We are in somewhere. The address is like Reisterstown, but to be honest with you, like we're far from Reisterstown. So I want to show you. Well, they have a pool. I want to show you a house that I looked at, and there's a story behind it. Ooh. The story is that I saw this house online. Like, this is a couple years ago. And I saw the house online, and I really wanted to like look at it. Like, I was really like, oh my God, this is the most beautiful house I've ever seen, blah, blah, blah. And in Maryland, like, realtors, I mean, this could be somewhere else also, but like realtors don't just show you houses, okay? They, like, you have to be pre-approved. And I hope the house is back here. I'm not sure. Anyway, you got to be pre-approved. And you know, you have to have all your paperwork together and this and that. So I'm like thinking of a way that I can literally look at this house. And so I called the realtor because for some reason they did not have an open house. So I called the realtor. Here's the house coming up. But I called the realtor and I said, yes, darling. I'm interested in this house. Of course, it was sold. This is the house. Beautiful house. So anyway, I called the realtor and I said, yes, darling, my husband and I are a cash offer, and we were interested in looking at this house here off Talisman, whatever. And she was like, okay, and so I met the realtor out here. And basically, like, I didn't show her any paperwork or anything, but she showed me the house. This house was absolutely gorgeous inside. Had a swimming pool in the backyard. There was like an apartment above the garage. I mean, the house was listed for like $775,000 back then. So probably the house is like more than that now. And had a pool in the back, nice yard, plenty of space, probably 5-6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. This is it right here. This is the house. There was like an apartment back there behind the garage. Beautiful house. The only thing I didn't like about that house was the basement, the finished basement, because there was no way of getting out of the basement from the downstairs, and there was no bathroom down there, which I thought was really, really, really odd. And anyway, so, but the house is gorgeous. Beautiful kitchen, beautiful master bedroom, beautiful master bathroom. The house is off Talisman, and this is actually like Stevenson area. Blah, blah, blah. So, but yeah. But anyway, she asked me after she gave me the tour of the house. She was like, I'm such an asshole. And she was like, you know, because I can't afford this house. I can't afford it. I don't know many people who can. So I can't really, you know, I can't afford this house at all. I don't have $775,000 in cash. And she's like, well, what do you think of the house? Like, what do you think, Mrs. Clark Smith? I said, you know what? I'll let my husband know, but I don't think that it's right for us. But thank you for showing me the house anyway. Like, hello. I just wasted her time. I feel bad about that, but it was like, I had to see what the fucking house looked like. Like, it's just something I had to do. Like, I had to see what this house looked like. And so I did. And that was the only way that I could do it. So yeah, I think I'm going the wrong way. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all the house. It was gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful neighborhood, as you can see. Beautiful, well-established homes in a well-established neighborhood. And thank you for watching. Until next time. Ooh, look at this one. Ooh, and they have a Michigan flag. Yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, yeah, they have a Michigan flag. That's what I'm talking about. So anyway. Everyone have a wonderful, beautiful day. Oh, before I go. Oh, yeah, I did go the wrong way. Anyway, have a great day. Love you all. Thank you for watching. You're amazing. Goodbye.